Hi friends, I'm just coming with a quick video today. I'm tired, I'm going to bed. But I had some mirrors that I got at Joann's. There's I think 5 or 6 of them in there. They were clearancing them out for $1.47, and then they were also 25% off the $1.47. So I purchased all that they had, and I think it was like maybe 6 or 7 packages of them or something like that. And I think I talked about it in one of my other videos that I was going to do some little affirmation mirrors. So this is the first one that I did. I lost one of her little bowls right here, but the words I put together in the Glowforge, and I didn't mask it. I didn't mask it, so you see the burn around the edges. And so that's like the little mirror. You see the burn around the edges. And then I put a little cutout right here. So I got the image off of Google. I just said girl with puffs, and this is the image they gave me. So then I just went and put all the words around, because I've seen these mirrors before, like I said, but I've never made one. I've never seen a tutorial on one. So I figured I'd create my own if I just got the little puff girls. And so the purple was like a name or something I did from my sports plaques that I make on the Glowforge. So that's where that came from. But like I said, I lost one of the little pieces right there. So this was the first one I did, and it had the burnt edges because I did not mask it. And then this was the next one I did. I really like this one. I did some little earrings. They're too big. I'm going to have to make them a little bit smaller. And then I put her bows. And then I did mask this one. That's why you don't see any, you don't see the burn around the edges. But I noticed this wood, I don't know if you could see it, but this wood, I was using some Gorilla Tape to take off the tape. And it pulled up a little bit of the wood, I think like right here, between the beautiful and the smart. So where the smart is and where the beautiful, I don't know if you could tell, but it pulled up a little bit of the wood. So but yeah, there it is. And so I really like how it came out. The mirrors fit perfect. And then here's another one that I haven't even taken off yet. So I'm gonna have to find some of my wood in there that already has the masking on the back to do that and make some earrings. But I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller. And so this still has the masking on it, and this is what it looks like on the back. And I'm gonna go around and sand that, because I don't really want to waste my masking tape for the back. So I'm going to go and see if I can sand that to get that edging off. But these are the girls, and I think they came. I love the little cutout at the bottom, and it was just the girl's head. And so in Silhouette Studio, I added the stick, and then I welded it together. So that's how I got it to be like a stick, because all it was the girl's head up to here, right here. And then I scored a circle, and I scored all the words, and I engraved the I am. But I think I'll engrave the rest of it as well to make it a little bit thicker. But that's how it came out. It's so cute. She came out really cute. So yeah. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.